If there's one thing I think we can all agree upon, it's getting a great night's sleep. It can really make or break your day. I'm Alex Abrahantes. I'm a TV personality and online content creator, and I have been searching for the perfect mattress for the past several months. I've been reading online reviews, going to websites, and I am really excited about what I've just discovered. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Dreamcloud Luxury Hybrid Mattress. What makes this a hybrid is the fact that it gives you the best of the inner spring and memory foam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it and give you my initial reviews and thoughts, and then at the very end, we'll talk about whether I think this mattress might be perfect for you. So let's get to it.
Dreamcloud comes vacuum sealed in a box. It's very easy to get up and running, but I highly recommend that you get a second person to help, as it'll make the process go by a little bit quicker. Resonant is the parent company of Dreamcloud, and they also have accessories such as these great bed frames, pillows, and sheets. You can check out more information about them at dreamcloudsleep.com.
So I let the mattress air out for a little while now, and it's recommended that you should air it out for 24 to 48 hours, but I wanted to give you my initial thoughts. This has a beautiful cashmere top, which is really nice. It feels great, it's comfortable, it feels truly luxurious. But at the end of the day, the most important part is deciding how comfortable it's going to be to sleep on. Now, one of the things that's most important when choosing a mattress is knowing if the mattress is going to work for you. And how you can do that is by determining what type of sleeper are you. Do you sleep on your back? Do you sleep on your side? Or do you sleep on your stomach? Or are you a combo sleeper? So if you sleep on your back, you might need a mattress that's a little bit more firm. If you sleep on your stomach, same thing. If you sleep on your side, you might need a mattress that's a little bit softer. So this mattress has been rated about 6.5, medium firm. So let's give it a shot and see how it feels. First impression, I think I'm gonna fall asleep. This is pretty awesome. I can feel it contouring my body. It's extremely comfortable. It's very aptly named Dreamcloud because it feels like I'm on a cloud. So I'm really enjoying this. Let's flip over to my side. I'm actually more of a combo sleeper. I sleep like 95% of the time on my side, so we'll give that a shot. Okay, so it contours really well in the hips. It might be a little bit firmer than I would like in the shoulder area. Of course, time will tell. I won't know that until I get a good night's sleep on this. It's comfortable, but this is kind of a to be determined. Now, I'm not a stomach sleeper, but if I was a stomach sleeper, wow, I'd say it's pretty comfortable too. I could definitely see stomach sleepers enjoying this. So first impression, I'm really impressed by this. I'm looking forward to sleeping on it. You should really sleep on a mattress for a couple of weeks for your body to get used to it, because obviously if you're coming from a different mattress, your body's going to be accustomed to that. One of the things that I love about Dreamcloud is the fact that they give you a 365-day trial, which is insane. So you get an entire year to try the mattress out and see if you like it. And if you don't like it, there's free returns, so that's not a problem at all. Dreamcloud, their warranty is just absolutely insane. It's a lifetime warranty on this mattress. So that tells me a lot about this company and the belief of how good their product is. So that's it for this video. I'm going to give you a full in-depth review once I have a chance to sleep on this for a couple of days. I'll get a better sense for how it works for me, but my first impression is I think it's going to work pretty well. I'm really excited to sleep on this and give you my thoughts. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that you know when I do post the next video, and leave a comment below in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. So until next time, dream big.